Hello guys, I was just looking at something, but we're going to trick Baldi. I was tricking Baldi with a yellow door lock with no sodas. I just died and there's no quarters. I will say, oh my gosh. Where's Mr. Baldi? This is a camping one. There's bear traps, but we're going to trick Camping Baldi. I know he's through us, but you're going to see how I'm going to... Oh, I saw Baldi right there. Okay. There's also Baldi. I'm so scared. Oh, no one has to be scared of Baldi. Oh gosh, Baldi, where are you? I used the zesty bar to run because there's no zesty bar right there. I only used the zesty bar on that school faculty. I just did that one. Oh. Hi, girl. Stop. Calm down, okay? I'll say Baldi is just bold. Oh my gosh, where's Baldi? I know actually. In that room, because it says do not touch me. You don't know, guys, right? I don't know where's Baldi. I'm just going to... Oh, yeah, Baldi's right there. Okay, we're going to make Baldi come here. Then, when he comes here, I'll lock him up. He's going to go on the other side. Watch that, guys. Okay, here he comes. Oh no, that didn't work. Oh, looks like we had to. We had to get a yellow door lock. Try again. Well, that is really still cool. Okay, here's the yellow door lock. Come on, get this yellow door lock. Okay, we got 2 yellow door locks. Oh, that's just small. We're going to look back. If Baldi comes, then we're in a big problem. Okay, we're almost there. I'm going to lock Baldi up again. Wasting all of my yellow door locks is not pretty good. Sorry, guys. Wait for a sec, guys. I'm coming back. Did you hear that, guys? I tried to say, my mom, I'm recording, and then she say, okay, sorry. She say that. Okay, let's see. Where's that bold? This Baldi gone crazy. Oh no. Okay, we have to lock him up. Monster Baldi. Huh? That doesn't rhyme like that. Okay, where's that Baldi? Oh, where's Baldi? He's going to come. Oh my gosh. Someone stopped Baldi. Well, that's okay. We can still wait here. What will I do? What will I do? Oh no. That was really crazy. Baldi? Where's Baldi? I'm just going to check. Okay, we lock that way, but no. Oh yes, no. Phew, that was so close. Okay, guys, see me on the next part. Sorry guys. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel also. Hit the like button and goodbye.